Encounter TEXI documentation files in GNU software projects. These are source files for Texinfo, the documentation system used throughout the GNU ecosystem. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to read, process, and convert these Texinfo source documents. For those who want the most versatile tool, it's coming, and it features my favorite single TEXI file inspection utility that is compatible with hundreds of formats. A TEXI file is a source document written in the Texinfo markup language, the official documentation system of the GNU Project. Developers and technical writers use this format to write software manuals that can be compiled into multiple outputs, such as HTML, PDF, and info, from a single source file, ensuring documentation consistency. The file is plain text containing content interspersed with Texinfo commands, which begin with an SAT symbol, e.g., @chapter, @code. This text-based, command-driven design allows for semantic markup and was created to be easily version-controlled, processed by simple tools, and capable of producing high-quality typeset and online documentation. Your application default for TEXI should ideally be GNU Texinfo from GNU Project. The file's non-standard data blocks prevent Windows from viewing the internal content. Windows shows basic document info, but enhanced editing features require a dedicated editor. We'll conduct a full scan of potential openers now. Right-click your TEXI file and select Open With. Test GNU Texinfo if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates application conflicts. Your system failed to open the TEXI file. We need to bypass the failure by running these 3 crucial diagnostic steps right now. First, opening in a text editor. TEXI files are plain text. Open them in any text editor like Emacs, which has dedicated Texinfo mode with syntax highlighting and command completion. Visual Studio Code GNU. Emacs and Vim with appropriate plugins all provide good Texinfo editing experiences. The raw markup is human-readable even without specialized tools. Next, generating output formats. Install Texinfo from gnu.org software or Texinfo to convert TEXI files to various formats. Use makeinfo for info output TEXI to PDF or TEXI to DVI for PDF makeinfo, HTML for HTML and makeinfo, plain text for plain text. These commands process the markup and produce properly formatted documentation in the desired output format. Finally, reading the info output. Convert TEXI to info format, then read with the info command on Linux or in Emacs with mxinfo. Info provides hypertext navigation through nodes with cross-references and index searching. This is the traditional way to read GNU documentation interactively at the command line with full search and navigation features. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to FileMagick, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagick.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.